Learn with fun.
Hello students, today we are going to study ordering numbers. So let's start the lesson. At the end of this lesson, the students would be able to identify ascending and descending order, compare numbers based on their digits, and number 3 is ordering numbers in ascending or descending order. The animals are racing. You can check from this picture that these 4 animals are racing. The smallest animal is in the first position, which is this. Yes, this is 50,000. And the tallest animal is in the last position. You can check over here. This one is in the last position. So you can say that the animals are running in an ascending order, or you can say in other words, the order is increasing. Just check from here. This one is increasing order. So right now the smallest number over here is 50,000 and this one is the largest number. Ascending order is increasing order. That is, if the starting position is the smallest and we are going to move upward or into the biggest or greatest number. So we are going to start ascending order, means we are going to increase. So this is also called an increasing order. So right now, to write the number in ascending order, we arrange them from smallest to the biggest, or you can say greatest. So here we have one example. We are going to arrange these numbers into the ascending order, means increasing order. So right now we have 50,000. This 50,000, we have checked that this number is the smallest number. So whenever we are going to write down in ascending or descending order, we are going to check the smallest number and the greatest number in the sequence first. So here we have 50,000, which is the smallest number, and then we are going to find out the largest number, greatest number, which is this 1,850,000. So right now we are going to say that the greatest number or the biggest number over here is 1,850,000. It will be the biggest number. So we are going to say that it will be in the last position. The smallest number will be in the first position and the greatest number will be in the last position. So we are going to arrange these numbers in increasing order or ascending order as follows. We are going to write this one first, this one. By comparing, we are going to get that after this number, which number is greater? This number is greater. So we are going to write it down over here, and then we are going to check that after this number, which number is greater? Yes, this number. So we are going to write down this number after this number, exactly 75,000. Then we are going to write down the greatest number at the last position, which is this one. The animals are reaching the end of the race. You can check that this one in the previous slide. You have checked that they were starting the position. Now they are going to finish it. So when they are going to finish it, the tallest animal is in the first position, the smallest animal is in the last position, and the animals are running in descending order, or you can say descending order means decreasing order. So here we have the greatest number over here, the first one, and the smallest number is in the last position, means the numbers are decreasing. Now descending order means that we are going to write the number in decreasing order. To write the number in descending order, we arrange them from the biggest to the smallest. As we have done in the previous example, we have done these numbers in ascending order. Now we are going to write the same numbers in decreasing order. So we already know that this number is the greatest or the biggest number. This number is the smallest number. Okay, so right now we are going to write down which number first. We are going to write down the greatest number first, and we are going to write down this number, which is the smallest number, 50,000. We are going to write it at the last position. Okay, so we are going to write the number in descending order as 1,850,000. This one is the first number. Then 150,200 is smaller than this number. Then 75,000 is smaller than this number. And finally, the smallest number is 50,000. So you are going to check that we are writing the number in decreasing order. Comparing number is really very important, because when we are going to write down the number in ascending or descending order, we are going to compare number first. So do you still remember how to compare two numbers? Okay, we are going to recall it for you guys. When we compare two numbers with different number of digits, the number which has the most digits starting from left to right side of the place value chart is the bigger number. When comparing two numbers with the same number of digits, we begin by looking at the place value from left side and compare each digit of the number. Look at the chart below. Recall the ascending and descending order. So ascending means from the smallest to the greatest. So this one is the ascending order, because here you can check the numbers are written in increasing order. So descending means we are going to write down the greatest number first. So which means that in this way the position will be from upside down. Okay, so right now we are going to move to another problems. So let's try problem number 1. Try the number, this one, these two numbers are given in the correct places to complete the series. So we are going to do this problem as well as we are going to do this problem. These two problems we are going to complete one by one. So here we are going to have the solutions for you guys. So let's start the problem number 1 first. Write the number 257,656,890 in the correct places to complete the series. We are going to check these two numbers first. These two numbers by comparison, we know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a 6-digit number, and this one is a 5-digit number. So you already know that which number is bigger. Yes, 6-digit number is bigger, and this one is the smallest number because this is written in the first from the series of the given numbers. In order, you can say that. So this is the smallest number. So right now this one is greater number, so this one is a greater number. So we are going to get that basically the numbers are written in which order? Smallest to the greater. Yes, greatest means we are going to write down these numbers in ascending order. Okay, so here we are going to have 257,000 is the bigger number. Okay, so 125,000 but smaller than this number, 526,000. So we are going to write down this number. We are going to get that. So that in the third position, which number will come? Yes, this number. If you are going to check the digits as well, 6-digit number, this is also a 6-digit number. By comparing the first digit number, this one and this one, that is 1. Which number is greatest? Yes, this number. So we are going to write down this number over here. Yes, 257,000 over here, and this number is already written over here. So by comparing, we are going to get that this is 6-digit number, this is also a 6-digit number. So 5 from 5 and 6, which is bigger? Yes, this one is bigger. So right now we are going to write down the last number, this one over here, 656,890. So this one is the greatest number. So we are going to write it down in the last position. So here the final answer is written for you guys. You can check that this order is ascending, means increasing order. Right now we have another problem, number 2. Write the numbers, these two numbers, no, these are three numbers. This is 725,000, 350,000, 450,000 and 20. So these are the numbers we are going to write down in the correct place to complete the series. So basically we are going to get that this number is 6-digit number, this number is also a 6-digit number. Which one is greater? Yes, we are going to check that 6 and 4. So this is greater number, means we are going to have the numbers. Yes, these numbers are written in a decreasing arrangement. So right now we are going to check that which number is bigger. Yes, which number is bigger? This one, 725,000. We are going to write, because this is also a 6-digit number, 6 and 7. Which is greater? Yes, 7. So right now we are going to write down this number first, 725,000 over here. Okay, or we are going to check and compare the remaining numbers, this number, this number and this number. So by comparison we are going to get that 6 and 4, we have this number. So we are going to check that, because we are going to write the number in, yes, which order? Yes, decreasing order. So right now we are going to check that 4 is less than 3. So we are going to write down this number over here, 350,000 over here, because we got it that this one is the smallest number. So this number 450,000, same digits. Yes, 4 digits and 4 digits, same digit. 5 and 5, same digit. Yes, 0 same digit. So we are going to compare the next digit, 0 next digit. Okay, next again 2 is greater than 0. So right now we are going to write down this number over here. Okay, so right now 450,000 and 20, we are going to write it over here. So here the complete order is written over here for you guys. You can check that the missing numbers are written over here, and we have the numbers written over here. In which order? These numbers are written in decreasing order. So if you are going to check the numbers, so this number is the smaller, so we are going to say that this one is increasing in this direction. Okay, so this one is increasing in this direction. Thank you so much. Like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Like and subscribe our channel.